Hi students, 4th standard maths geometry part 2. Now we are going to learn about the identifying center, radius and diameter of a circle. Circle is perfectly round in shape. It has no sides and no diagonals. O is the center of the circle. The distance from the center to each of these points. See the points A, B, C, D, E is the radius of the circle. Radius is equal in length. Therefore, OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to OE. All the radii are equal in length in a circle. Next picture, a line segment AB passes through the center of the circle O. AB is the diameter of the circle. The line segments XY and LM are the chords. The longest chord of a circle is the diameter AB. The radius is always half of the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 5 cm. Formula for diameter equal to 2 into radius. Therefore, diameter equal to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 cm. Therefore, diameter equal to 10 cm. Second one, find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 88 cm. Formula for radius is diameter by 2. Here the given diameter is 88 cm. Therefore, radius equal to 88 by 2. How many 2's are 8? 4 2's are 8. Therefore, radius equal to 44 cm. Next exercise 1.1c. A. Fill in the blanks. First one, all the radii of a circle are equal. Second, the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Third, a line segment joining any point on the circle to its center is called the radius of the circle. Fourth, a line segment with its end points on the circle is called a chord. Fifth one, twice the radius is diameter. Students study the fill-ups. B and C, find the diameter of a circle and find the radius of the circle. Do it yourself. Next, perimeter. What is perimeter? The perimeter is the sum of all the sides of a closed figure. Finding the sides and perimeter of the following figures. See the first picture. Sides are AB, BC, CD, DA. Perimeter equal to all the sides of the closed figure. Sum of all the sides of the closed figure. Therefore, perimeter equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equal to 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 equal to 19 cm. See the second picture. In a given square, all the sides are equal. Therefore, perimeter of a square equal to PQ plus QS plus SR plus RP equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How many times 8? 4 times 8. Therefore, perimeter of a square equal to 4 8s are 32 cm. Next exercise 1.1d. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Next one 1.2. Creating objects by combining different 2D shapes. Uses of tangram in combining different 2D shapes. Tangram is a 1000 years old Chinese puzzle consisting 5 or 7 geometrical pieces called tans put together to form objects. Skills such as problem solving, logical thinking, perceptual reasoning, visual spatial awareness, and creativity. See the examples. Next, see the picture. What is a picture? It is a circle. Can we fill a circle with square tiles? No, we can't fill a circle with square tiles because circle is curved figure. Next exercise 1.2. Fill the appropriate tiles. Do it yourself. Next one, properties of 3D objects. First one, cube. A cube has 6 plane faces, 12 faces. All the 6 faces are equal. Examples, dice, ice cubes, Building blocks, Rubik's. Second one, cuboid. A cuboid has 6 plane faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Its opposite faces are equal. Examples: matchbox, bricks, eraser, book, toothpaste, box. Third one, sphere. A sphere has only one curved surface. It has no vertices and edges. Examples: shot put, ball, globe, laddu. Next, cone. A cone has one plane face and one curved surface. It has one vertex. Examples: cone ice cream, joker's cap. Last one, cylinder. A cylinder has two plane faces and one curved surface. It has no edges and vertices. Examples: straw, gas cylinder, and pipe. Next, exercise 1.3. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, a cuboid has how many edges? 12 edges. Second, the shape of a dice is like a cube. Third, a cylinder has a curved surface and two plane faces. Fourth one, I have one vertex and one plane face. I am a cone. Fifth one, a cube has 8 vertices. Students, study the fill-ups. Next, we are going to learn about the difference between 2D and 3D objects. Concept: 2D, 3D. Definition: for 2D, 2 dimension, and for 3D, 3 dimension. Next one, dimensions: 2D, length and breadth; for 3D, length, height and width. Examples for 2D: square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelograms, trapezium, quadrilateral. And for 3D, cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. Find out the 2D and 3D objects from the given pictures. Do it yourself. Thank you.